Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Zoho CRM account. So Zoho CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform to manage the sales, marketing, and customer support. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. Now first of all, launch Zoho CRM application. And once you are here on the app's interface, simply tap on the option of sign in that you see on the bottom of your screen. Now, after you tap on that option, you will be led to a website something like this. Now, you have to start by entering your email address or your mobile number. If you wish to, you can also sign in using various social media platforms listed below. Now, let me simply enter my email address here. Here we go. Now, after entering your mobile number or your email address, simply tap on the option of Next. After this, you will be led to this page where you have to enter your password. If you wish to, you can also sign in using email OTP. So now let me enter my password here. Now, in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option of Forgot Password and then follow the procedures in order to recover your account. Now just tap on the option of Sign In. Now after this, you will directly be led to Zoho CRM application. Now wait until the app is downloading your CRM data from the server. This may just take a while. And now within a matter of seconds, you can see that you have been logged into your Zoho CRM account. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.